Hello everyone, welcome to Stories Ferry. Today's story is Sneeze Comedian. So let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a man named Bob who loved to make people laugh. He was a struggling comedian performing at small clubs and open mics, but he dreamed of making it big. One day, Bob received a call from a famous talent agent. The agent had heard about Bob's hilarious jokes and wanted to represent him. Bob couldn't believe his luck and eagerly signed the contract. The agent booked Bob for a gig at a huge comedy festival in front of thousands of people. Bob was nervous but excited. He had never performed in front of such a big audience before. The day of the festival arrived and Bob took the stage. He started telling his funniest jokes and the audience roared with laughter. Bob was on fire and he felt like he was in the zone. Suddenly, something strange happened. Bob felt a tickling sensation in his nose. He tried to ignore it and keep telling his jokes, but the tickling became more intense. Before he knew it, he sneezed right into the microphone. The audience went silent. Bob felt his face turned red with embarrassment. He tried to continue with his jokes, but the crowd wasn't having it. They were too busy laughing at Bob's sneeze. Bob realized that he had accidentally stumbled upon the funniest thing he had ever done. He started incorporating sneezes into his routine and the crowd went wild. Bob became known as the Sneeze Comedian and he went on to have a successful career making people laugh with his unique talent. And that's, my friends, is the story and how Bob turned a sneeze into comedy gold. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for more updates.